Thousands of Filipinos trooped to the Rizal Memorial Coliseum in Manila to witness the much-anticipated charity boxing match between PNP Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III and Davao City Acting Mayor Baste Duterte. Paulo Barcelon is standing by live at the venue with the latest. Paulo, kamusta dyan?
Well, good afternoon, Hannah. No thrill in Manila this Sunday as Police General Nicolas Torre III, the PNP chief, won by default against Davao City Acting Mayor Baste Duterte. Torre was declared the winner of this charity boxing match after officials did a symbolic 10-second countdown, but Duterte failed to show up, and Torre was then declared the winner of their supposed 3-round bout. However, the buzz surrounding the fight generated millions of pesos worth of hate. Hannah, the PNP chief, says 16.3 million pesos worth of cash and 4.2 million pesos worth of aid have been raised by the event. In the meantime, amateur boxers were featured in the 3 undercard bouts, and General Torre will head next to Baseco in Manila to deliver aid. Hannah?
Naku, Paulo, malaki-laki pala ang na-raise, no, kung tutuusin. Pero meron bang message itong si Torre kay Duterte?
Yes, Hannah, kanina nakausap natin si General Torre, and he said that it's no longer time for him to listen to these types of invites, because kung matatandaan mo, Hannah, si Acting Mayor Baste Duterte, sinabi niya wag lang daw Sunday gawin yung laban nila ni General Torre, pero quoting General Torre, sabi niya marami pa akong trabaho and he still intends to try and focus on his work rather as PNP chief. So tinanong natin noon ng media din kanina si General Torre kung posible bang maulit ito. Ang sabi niya ay focus na lang daw muna nga siya sa kanyang trabaho, and that pinakita naman daw ng effort na ginawa ng organizers nitong event dito sa Maynila that he, for his part, is committed in showing up when he is invited, Hannah.
All right, thank you so much, Paulo Barcelon, live in Manila.